Hi guys, Lucas here. This is going to be the running review of the vintage Tamiya LANCIA Rally 037. This is not the reissue, this is the real deal, my friends. So we're going to be running her. There's not many videos of these old guys around. I did test it a little bit and it drives great. Without further ado, let's get her going, guys. Slight pull to the right. See if I can level that out a little bit. I think she drives pretty darn good, guys, my friends. Not bad for how old is this car by now? It's got to be 35 years old, 84-ish time. My math serves me correct. I definitely recommend, if you guys are going to be driving any of these cars, make sure you're in an open area. You do not want to wreck these little things. Man, it's just amazing how cool they look when they go. Well, there she is, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's a wrap on the vintage Tamiya LANCIA Rally. And he looks like a happy guy in there, don't he? Alrighty, guys, if you have any questions or anything about this model, or any of the models I've done in the past, or any that you'd like to talk about, please let me know. I would love it if you hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Got a whole lot cool RCs coming up, especially the old ones, guys. Bye.